everyone. If you speak English as a second language, or if you just learn how to speak English, some sounds are a little difficult to pronounce. Sometimes they get mixed up or confused. This happens to be the case with the SH and the CH sound for some people. The SH is a sound that goes shh, and the CH goes like this, ch. Now, here's what the differences are. Firstly, when you say the SH sound, your lips are rounded. Your tongue isn't going to touch anywhere in particular in your mouth. It's kind of just floating. It should not touch up against your teeth, and you can hold the sound as long as you have air. Not that you'd want to hold it very long, but you are just going to shh, shh, shh. A soft sound as if you're telling someone to be quiet. Shh, shh, shh. Like in the words shout, shine, ship. Let's do it one more time. Say shout, shine, ship. Very good. The difference when you're going to make the CH sound, it's a quick sound and you can't hold it out. It's kind of a sharp, percussive sound. Ch, ch, ch. And here's another big difference. The tip of your tongue should be placed right behind your upper teeth. So you start there as if you're making a ch sound. Keep your lips rounded like in the SH, but just ch. Shoot the air out. It's over. It's done. Like in the words chip, chew, cheese. Yes, let's do it again. Chip, chew, cheese. Perfect! Alright, so sometimes if you're mispronouncing them and getting them switched around, you might be trying to say the word ship and it sounds like chip. Or you might try to say the word shoe and without knowing you're already saying chew, or even share and chair. So things like that will really happen if we don't know the differences or we don't know how to pronounce them properly. I hope this clears up some of the mysteries about the differences between the SH and the CH sound. And if you're interested in finding out more about these sounds, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more videos to learn. Once again, I am Ellie from Boost English. See you next time. Goodbye.